Hi everyone, I'm in here and I got a happy meal. Yay! Actually, this is the entry from my dear friend Jeanette. Jeanette is, last time her YouTube channel is Scrapping XO, Crafty XO. Now she changed already. I cottage, I already forget, but I will pop a link below the description later when I finish the edit the video. This is the second, actually this is the second package that she sent me, because the first package she sent it by normal mail, no tracking number, so we have no idea where's the package, the location at the moment. Hopefully it will arrive to me, or I just wish maybe hope the first package will send return to Jeanette, because hopefully the first package not lost. And Jeanette is so kind, she sent me the second one, she made another one for me, and I truly appreciate Jeanette for your kindness, and you are just a sweet lady. And this is so fast, the package. This time she sent with the tracking mail, and she made me the card and my camera, hopefully, because my tripod, the stand broken, cannot adjust any, I cannot lower down the tripod, so the camera will have to point like so hopefully I will knock out a frame. This is the card she made for me, and here is my challenge entry, take 2. Yes. I hope it has arrived to yes. Simply, I'm so happy. And oh yes, you can see this is the now she changed her YouTube name, okay, Cottage Craft Me, or mine, or what, MI Cottage Craft. Okay, thank you so much, Jeanette. I truly appreciate for your kindness. And we just waiting, hopefully the first pincushion will arrive, because I just love, and I just don't want to miss out any of Jeanette handmade item. She sent me this, and wow, okay, let me just wrap it out and put down the box. I'll show you. Oh, she sent it great. Thank you so much, Jeanette. Oh, you shouldn't send me any extra gift. You already made me the second. This is the take 2, and I'm so happy. This safely arrived to me, and I will keep all these tissue paper. Last time, I have this from the tissue paper. Thank you so much, Jeanette. You sent me so many here. I so appreciate for your kindness. And thank you so much for your thoughtful gift. And you actually, she shouldn't make me another one, but she did, and I just I just wish to have own something handmade by Jeanette, and my wish came true. Wow, this is so cute. And Jeanette told me that one big stick pin is put on top. Let me see later, maybe in another. The first one is not like this. This is like a jar. The first one is like a sugar jar, or the like a, I don't know, not the different. This she used the different, but the material is the same. It's the silver one. I just love. Thank you so much, Jeanette. I will treasure all these. And this one, I just wish the first one also will arrive to me, because so that I have the set of Jeanette handmade item. Thank you so much, and I will pop a link below the description box, because she will tell you all the details how she make this one. And thank you so much. Look at this, and I will check the stick pin. She used this. Yeah, even she altered the envelope. Yeah, all her handmade is super gorgeous. Let me to check the camera first, because I don't want to miss up any angle. Oh, let me to see. Yes, I didn't miss up. Okay, this angle is correct. Thank you so much. And yeah, oh, you use the clip and make this clip. See, little thing. Yeah, everything she make is so beautiful, and I get inspired by her so a lot, because the sewing machine, and the last one is what I make, sewing machine, and one more project that the boots. And she has a tutorial video to show you how to sew the boats, the Victorian boat, not and the sewing machine. I just love it, and all her tutorial video is very gorgeous and so easy to follow. So, and actually I just can't believe I can sew the sewing machine and the boat, because it looks so difficult. Actually, and my sewing skill is so worse. What I can do is just a straight line, but Jeanette, the tutorial is show you very easy to follow. Yeah, the step by step how to sew everything. And she also have a free template, and she share with us in her Pinterest board. So yeah, thank you so much. And look at this, beautiful. And this is her handmade flower. She use this is like a cupcake liner. Look at this, everything is so pretty. And the ice cream, yeah, sometimes we couldn't get the spool, so you can, this is great idea to roll the laces on. Thank you so much. And this stick pin, I believe, is put here. Okay, and I want this to put the mind. Okay, I will keep everything. Look at this, so pretty. Look at this, everything is just so pretty. Look at this, every single thing. Thank you so much, Jeanette. Oh yeah, I saw she make this one is she create this is for the design for the Esme shop. And look at this, thank you so much, you give me one of these. This is so pretty, and she has a tutorial too. Yeah, also for this one you can hang this up. Yeah, I love to collect the shoes, any kind of the pattern of the shoes, and I just love. Look at this stick pin here, pretty. Thank you so much for the extra gift. Thank you so much, Jeanette, you are just so kind to me. And thank you so much. And you sent me another one. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This is like just like a bonus to me. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Jeanette. You are just so sweet and so kind to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yay, look at this one. Oh my goodness. I think I didn't see this before on your video. Maybe I missed out. Oh, I love. Yeah, you match this one. Yeah, we match. We have a team. Look at me. We have a set here. This is the teapot, and this can stand it by itself. And this, she used the door knot. Is it called door knot? The holder for the top. Yeah, this is great idea. Yeah, cause I have so many of the this I bought this like it's a flower. Yeah, this is great idea. Yeah, maybe I will make another. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I get inspired from this again. Thank you so much, Jeanette. Yeah, send me one very big size tea, not cat, is cat, that one is like a kettle. Yeah, this is my second one. I'm so, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Jeanette. You are just so sweetie. Oh my goodness, this is another bonus to me. Look at this. I believe you use the item. I'm not sure. Yeah, I have to check this video on her YouTube channel, and I'll pop a link below the description box so you can, all of you can see all this from her channel. And yeah, don't miss out, cause Jeanette always make a beautiful and very unique and project. Look at this, I got a pair of this, and I really wish the first one will arrive to me then. So we have a family here. That one, cause the shape is different, so oh my goodness, I really wish that one will arrive to me. Thank you so much, Jeanette. You are just so kind to me, and I feel so special because yeah, you sent me so many. And let me check the camera first. Oh, I don't want to miss out. And yeah, you can see, because I cannot lower down my, I have to put up. Next time I have to, yeah, maybe move to, yeah, I have the another desk over there is taller. Yeah, next time I will make the record here. But anyway, this one I really wish. Oh, look, yeah, all you can see this one. Let me just show you one more time. Yeah, I'll pop a link below the description box so that you can see all her project, and yeah, you will get inspired from everything Jeanette made. And yeah, I'm so inspired. All her project is so inspiring. And thank you so much once again, Jeanette, for your kindness and so kind to me, and send me again this one. And yeah, just let us wish that the first one will arrive to me. I put the wrong side. This one is and I just waiting for my good news, hopefully. Yeah, thank you so much. I just love everything here. Thank you so much. And yeah, like I say, I will pop a link below the description box below. And look at this, everything is so pretty. Okay, and bye bye, and thanks again for everyone for your subscribe and for your support and for all your kind comments in my video, and I really appreciate each one. And bye bye. Let me do rest button, stand up. Oh my goodness. Look at this, so pretty. Love